For months, I felt like my mind was slipping. I'd walk into rooms and forget why. My focus was gone. Tasks that once took minutes dragged on for hours. I felt like I was losing a part of myself, until I found something unexpected. It wasn't a new drug. It wasn't another energy drink. It was a ritual, one used by ancient Amazonian tribes to keep their minds sharp for generations. And that ritual inspired something called SynaBoost. SynaBoost is a natural brain support formula made with powerful plant-based ingredients like Bacopa monnieri, Huperzia serrata, and Rhodiola rosea, all backed by science. No stimulants, no crashes, no habit-forming chemicals. Just real ingredients working in perfect harmony to support memory, focus, and mental clarity. And let me tell you, I noticed the difference fast. I'm solving problems quicker. I stay focused longer. That mental fog, gone. SynaBoost didn't just improve my mind, it gave me my energy back, my confidence, my spark. And the best part? It comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee and free bonuses if you order today. I've seen what losing your mental edge feels like. Now I know what it feels like to get it back. This might be the missing piece you've been searching for. SynaBoost. Support your brain, sharpen your life.